Good morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Nanmaji Vidyapit, Standard 3rd. So students, today we'll start unit number 7, data handling and money operation. Okay. So in that, let's recap the different denominators of the money we have seen. First of all, we have to do here some recap. So in that recap, what we have to do? In that recap, we have to revise about the money we have seen. So Indian currency is rupees. What is the Indian currency? Indian currency is a rupees. What is the Indian currency? Is a rupees. Now rupees is a symbol of, this is a symbol of rupees. This is a symbol of rupees. Okay, this is a symbol of rupees. Now we have the following coin in use. Rupees 1. We have two following coins in rupees 1 is there. Okay. This is a 2 rupees. 1 rupees, 2 rupees. Now 5 rupees. 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees. 10 rupees is there. 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. This currency you already seen this, right? ये नॉर्मली यूज में, और ये सारे जो कॉइन्स है वो आप लोगों ने देखे हुए हैं. 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. Now we have two following notes in a use. 10 rupees note, 10 rupees note. Both the notes are different but amount are same. Notes are different but amounts are same. This is a 10 rupees. Okay, old one currency is there and this one is a new one currency is there. Okay, this both the notes we have to use it here. Then 20 rupees is here. Now here is a no any change in a 20 rupees, but here is a little bit change in a 15 rupees. 5015, old currency is a 5015 and this one is a new currency. So ये जो करेंसी है वो बिफोर 2000 से पहले वाला है, ठीक है, ये करेंसी. सो हियर दिस नोट्स वी हैव टू यूज इन अवर डेली लाइफ. दिस ऑल द नोट्स जैसे ही हम लोग जैसे ये कॉइन्स है वो हम हमारे डेली लाइफ में यूज करते हैं. लाइक दैट ओनली दिस करेंसी also, these notes we have also use in our daily life. Then we have the following notes in using 100 rupees की notes भी हम use करते हैं. Correct, we'll use a 100 rupees note is there. This one is a 200 rupees note. This is a 200 rupees note. This note also will use, हम ये 200 rupees की note भी use करते हैं. This is a 500 rupees note. ये 500 रुपीज की नोट भी हम यूज करते हैं आवर डेली लाइफ में, राइट. लुक एट द अनदर डिनोमिनेशंस. सो दिस वन इज, डू यू नो व्हाट द डिनोमिनेशन इन दिस? दिस इज अ 2000 रुपीज नोट. विच वन इज दैट? 2000 रुपीज नोट इज दैट. नाउ रुपीज 2000 इज द हाईएस्ट डिनोमिनेशन वी हैव आवर करेंसी. हमारी जो करेंसी में स्मॉलेस्ट डिनोमिनेटर्स है वो 15 पैसा either than 1 rupees है. Like that largest, smallest, highest denominators is the our country 2000 rupees note is there. Which note is there? 2000 rupees note is there, and in that it is pink in color, has the 2000 rupees is on return. ये जो 2000 rupees की नोट है वो कौन से कलर में? पिंक कलर में है. Got it? जैसे के now look at, I'll say you some difference in the note between. So in that, now see, both the colors are same. Orange color में 10 rupees का नोट है वो कौन से कलर में? स्किन एंड orange color is there. Then here reddish color is there, 20 rupees. Pink color in that 15 rupees. New 15 rupees in the blue color is there. Which color is there? Blue color is there. Like that only 100 rupees is there. So 100 rupees in the sky blue color, something like that. And then orange color in the 200 rupees is there. Like that only 500 rupees is the, which color is there? This is a 500 rupees coin, notes is there. Like that in the 200 rupees coin is the, which color is there? There is a pink color is there. Okay students. So this is the highest and pink color has a 200 rupees written on it. Okay. Now will start worksheet number first. So students, in that difference coins on and notes and coins using our country, हमारे country में जो notes and coins है वो use होते हैं 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. These all are coins. These coins we'll use in our daily life, daily routines. Then 10, 20, 15, 100, 200, 500 and 2000. These all are notes. We'll use as a how we'll use this notes? We'll use this note our daily life. Our daily life में हमारे जो daily life में notes use होते हैं, which one is there? 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 15 rupees, 100 rupees, 200, 500 and 2000. Okay, 2000 is the highest number of the notes is there. Okay students, now worksheet number 2, making a combination. Making combination is there. So in that, now in that combining notes and the coin to make up a rupees amount. For example, how will I make rupees 4,356 using the difference note and coins? Using the difference note and coins, let's us make a rupees 4,356 using the number of notes in coin. So here we have to follow. What we have to do here? Here we have to follow steps. Here we have to follow the steps. So in that first of all we have to draw a place value chart and write the required amount. What we have to do first? Draw a place value chart and write the requirement amount in it. हम लोग है वो requirement amount जो है वो हम लिखना start करेंगे. Okay. After that, so in that example is here. First of all, we have to write ones, tens, 100 and 1000. What we have to write first? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000 is there. After that, we'll start with the digit on the extremes left. Read it with the place value. What is the largest note that can be used to make its number? How many needed? So now what we have to do? We have to write the 6 in the one place. We have to write 6 in a one place. 5 is in a 10 place. 3 is in a 100 place and 4 is in a 1000 place. Now the digit on the extremes left is 4. Which one digit is the largest? 4th is there. Read with the place value is 4000. What we have to read here? 4000. So largest notes can be used is on the rupees 2000 is there. On the rupees 2000. So we need 2 notes. हमें कितनी notes चाहिए 4000 करने के लिए? 2 notes we have. Right? We need 2 notes. Make the 4000. The next digit is 3. Next digit है वो कौन सा होगा? 3 is there. Reading with the place value it is 300. Reading in the place value it is in 300. The largest note that can be used it of rupees 200 is it of rupees 200. After using 1 note of rupees 200, we are left with rupees 100. So we can use on rupees 100 notes 2 times. Okay. If we need the we can largest note that can be used is the of rupees 200. अगर हम 200 की notes ले लेंगे और एक है वो हम 100 rupees की note ले लेंगे. That means we'll need the 300. Okay. Then the next digit is the 5 is there. So read with the place value is the 15 rupees. How many rupees are there? 15 rupees. The largest note can be used it on the rupees 15. So we need a one notes of rupees 15. हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ one notes चाहिए 50 rupees के लिए. Correct. Now the largest digit of 6 and its place value is also 6. Now largest number rupees is a 6 and place value is also in 6 is there. So after using rupees coin 5, we are left with the rupees 1. So which can we use in the 1 coins rupees 1? हमें कौन सा coin use करना पड़ेगा? 1 rupees का. So 2 notes of rupees 2000. So answer is 4000. 1 notes of rupees 200. Answer is 200. 1 notes of rupees 100. Answer is 100. 1 notes of rupees 15. Answer is 15. 1 coins of the 5. Answer is 5. 1 coins of rupees 1. Answer is 1. So total number of the amount is rupees 4356. Total number of the amount is the 4356. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute to you how to complete your work. Okay students, now standard 3rd, unit number 7, worksheet number 3rd. So in that, question number 1st is make the following amount using the different combinations of the knots and coin. The first one is done for us. Chocolate for rupees 865 rupees. 865 rupees are there. So note of the rupees 500 is equal to 500. 1 notes we need 500. Then a notes of rupees 200. 1 notes we need. How many notes we needed? 1 notes we needed here. Then a notes of rupees 100. So answer is 100. 1 notes of rupees 15. 1 notes of rupees 15. Answer is 15. 1 notes of rupees 10. So here we have to write rupees 10. 1 coin of rupees 5. So here we have to write the 5. Then we'll have to do the addition. So we'll get the answer 850. 865. We'll get the answer 865. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now question number 2nd is a water bottle of rupees 393. A water bottle of rupees 393. So we'll need the 1 notes of rupees 200, 1 notes of rupees 100, 1 notes of rupees 15, 2 notes of rupees 20, one coin of 3, one coin of 1. So 1 notes of rupees 200, answer is 200. 1 notes of rupees 100, answer is 100. 1 notes of rupees 15, answer is 15. 2 notes of rupees 20, answer is 14. 1 note of rupees 2, answer is 2. 1 coin of rupees 1, answer is 1. So in that, answer is 2 plus 1, 3 is there. 5 plus 4, 9 is there. 2 plus 1, 3 is there. So answer is 393 is there. 393 is there. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 means you have to complete your work. I'll give you 1 means you have to complete your work. Okay everyone? Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next one question. Next one question is a chair for rupees 942 is there. So we need 1 notes of rupees 500, 2 notes of rupees 200, 2 notes of rupees 20, 1 coin of 2. 1 notes of rupees 500, answer is 500. 2 coins of rupees 200, answer is 400. 2 notes of rupees 20, answer is 40. 1 coin of rupees 2, answer is 2. So in that 2 as it is, 4 as it is, 4 plus 5, answer is 9. So answer is 942. Answer is 942. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Now students, your homework is, what was your homework is that your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 3 and worksheet number 2. Complete it and send it to me before 3 o'clock. Your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 2 and 3 and send it to me in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students your work is complete. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.